Study for finals, mastering your exams. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in the academic world: study for finals. This phrase is especially relevant for students and can be a crucial part of your English vocabulary in an academic setting. Let's dive in and understand what it means to study for finals and how you can do it effectively. Study for finals refers to the process of preparing for final exams at the end of a school or college term. Finals are comprehensive exams that cover material from the entire course, and they often have a significant impact on your final grade. When someone says they need to study for finals, they mean they have to spend time reviewing, understanding, and memorizing the course content to perform well in these exams. Studying for finals requires effective strategies to maximize your learning and retention. Here are a few tips. 1. Create a study schedule. Plan your study time well. Break down the material into manageable sections and allocate specific times for each. 2. Use study aids. These can include flashcards, summary notes, and mind maps. 3. Practice past exams. This helps you get familiar with the format and type of questions asked. 4. Group study. Sometimes discussing topics with peers can enhance understanding. 5. Take breaks. Regular breaks prevent burnout and help maintain focus. While studying for finals is important, it's also crucial to maintain a balanced approach. This means taking care of your physical and mental health. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat healthily, and take time to relax. Remember, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body, and both are needed for effective learning. We hope this video has been informative and helps you prepare for your finals more effectively. Remember, studying for finals is about consistent effort and smart strategies. Good luck, and happy studying! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.